Let's make our first steps using AWS Poly. Let's go to the AWS console and type in Poly. When you see the voice, just choose the American English one or the US English. And we're going to choose Joanna. Let's just replace the default text with our own sentence. And let's say, I'm excited to learn something new today.
I'm excited to learn something new today.
Let's do the same thing for the British English voice called Brian.
I'm excited to learn something new today.
Last but not least, let's see what the Australian accent sounds like using the Nicole voice.
I'm excited to learn something new today.
Let's do the same for the French translation of the sentence. Let's go to French and use Celine's voice. I'm going to type in the French translation of the sentence, which is Je suis ravi d'apprendre quelque chose de nouveau aujourd'hui.
Je suis ravi d'apprendre quelque chose de nouveau aujourd'hui.
And we can do the same thing for the French Canadian version.
Je suis ravi d'apprendre quelque chose de nouveau aujourd'hui.
We've successfully made the first steps using AWS Poly. I won't be focusing on the English and French languages for this course, but I highly encourage you to explore the other languages for any future applications where they might serve you better.